Hello everyone, this is Amo here. I wanted to demonstrate a new web application that I created using Google's Gemini AI model. So let's get to it. First, you guys have to go to getFoodRecipe.streamline.app. That's where you can access this web application. And this web application basically takes user queries and then creates a recipe out of it. First, you need to get the Google's generative AI API key. You can get it by clicking on this button present here. You'll have to log into your Google account. Any personal Gmail account is good enough for this. Just have to accept the terms and agreement, and once you accept, you just click on create API key in new project. This will basically create an API key through which you can query the API and get the response. Now once created, all you have to do is copy it, paste it here, and then you start typing in what kind of recipe you want. There might be two case scenario. First case is that you might have certain groceries present with you, and that's what you want to use. For instance, I have this avocado that has been lying around for a while. I want to use that. I want to use avocado, probably bread, say onion, let's try tomato and cheese. Okay, I want to spend about 15 minutes. Oh, let me be more specific. It's good to be as specific as possible because it's going to tailor the recipe accordingly. One avocado, say 4 bread, that's what I have, half onion, 1 tomato, some cheese. Okay, this is what I'm ready to eat. No cuisine particularly. Frying pan, say for lunch. Yep, I prefer vegan, trying to be healthy, no allergies as such. Make it less spicy. I don't like more spicy food, and I hit on recipe. So it's basically taking all the inputs that you're given, creating a recipe. Avocado and cheese toast. Wow, that sounds delicious. And it takes it takes less than 15 minutes. That's amazing. So here is the recipe that you can actually try and cook, created by just putting in the ingredients that you have and your preference. And once you're done with this, you can either give thumbs up or thumbs down based on like what you feel about this application. And if you have any requests, you can submit that, hey, if this feature was there, then it would have been better, and hit on submit. That will let me know what you guys think about the application. Coming to the second scenario, where you have a particular dish in mind that you tried out into some restaurant and wanted to see how to make it at home. So suppose I want to make chicken tikka, and say that I have no idea about Indian cooking, because this is famous in India. So help needed. Okay, that's noted. And yeah, of course, less spicy. I hate more spicy food. And now we hit on recipe. Let's see what it generates. So here you go. That tells you how to make chicken tikka with all the things that you can search online and get the results and buy from local grocery store. And also it gives you preparation time, prep time, and also nice instruction on how to do it. So that's it, guys. Thank you, and please keep a lookout on this page because I'll be soon adding more features to this particular application that I built.